Did you know that approximately 80% of local searches result in a conversion? Local searches drive conversions for small businesses. So why is your campaign not getting the results you expected? Hello, I'm Uzair, and thanks for watching this video, where I will give 3 powerful Google Ads strategies to help your business to drive more local sales and attract more attention to your brand. Number 1, ad extensions. Using ad extensions can really help to improve your Google Ads results for local searches. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is to use them without a reason or strategy. For a local campaign, you should consider using 4 key ad extensions: location, phone calls, affiliate locations, and dynamic site links. All 4 of these will be really critical to your campaign. With dynamic site links, you can take your campaign to the next level, as Google automatically calculates the best site extensions for your ads based upon the user's intent and previous search history. They were created to help connect an audience to the content that they are actually looking for. Number 2, target local keywords and locations. By targeting both together, you may have lower traffic overall, but you will have more precise targeting and hopefully a higher converting audience. The first step is to change the default setting of location targeting within your campaign settings. Click on the Locations tab and select people in or regularly in your targeted locations. Google will now know that you only want to target people that are living or working within that selected location. This prevents people physically located outside of your target area from being shown your ads. If you still want to capitalize on them as well, you can run a separate brand awareness campaign with the default location settings applied. After changing those settings, you can then target keywords to ensure that you are getting the most accuracy in the audience that your ads are shown to. So, for example, if you run a shoe shop, you may select children's shoes Milton Keynes. By combining very targeted keywords with location targeting, you have a guaranteed audience that live near your business that are looking for what you offer. Number 3, run local search ads and use bid modifiers. These do take a bit of work to set up, but they can be one of the greatest features to drive local high-quality leads. Instead of linking to your website, they link to a page on Google My Business that gives people more information about your store, like opening hours, reviews, photos, and so on. The setup process also lets you show your ads in Google Maps directly. To set this up, you need to be running location extensions on your Google Ads, have an existing Google My Business page to work from, and then optimize your bids and keywords for location targeting. Once you have done all this, you need to optimize your Google My Business page to make sure that it contains all the relevant information that searchers need. Next, you need to optimize your location targeting with bids. To do this, you simply select the locations that you are targeting within your dashboard and then click on Bid Adjustment column. One top tip here is to create different levels of radius around your location. For example, 5, 10, and 15 miles. You can then increase the bid amounts the closer the location is. This means that you will spend less on clicks that might not convert and more on those more likely to. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video soon. Bye for now.